What up, YouTube? I just got two DJI Phantom 4s. One's a Pro, one is not. They are both broken. I was told that this one does still fly, but this one has a GPS issue. So I'm gonna do some research, see what I can figure out, and yeah, I'm gonna film the whole thing. Let's get into it. Alright, what's up? We're going to take a look at, I guess this is the Phantom 4. I think this is the normal Phantom 4 because it had the Phantom 4 user guide in there. So I guess upon first glance, needs new landing gear, and I don't think the gimbal is supposed to be doing that. Alright, so what's up, guys? So I've got it paired up to the app and the controller. This is the normal Phantom 4. And it's giving me all kinds of gimbal and compass errors, mainly just the gimbal error. But we're gonna see if it'll take off. So I'm gonna just slide to take off. Up. So it is up. As you can see, it is flying. I'm getting low battery warnings, gimbal warnings, compass warnings, all of that. So, let's land it. Compass error, GPS mode. Yeah, I think we need to fix the landing gear, and I think it needs a new gimbal. Alright, landing gear replacement time on the DJI Phantom 4. Let's get into it. Looks like we have authentic DJI parts. Latest firmware, everything is good to go on my end. Let's go ahead and lift off. Wanted to make a quick update. So I've been testing the Phantom 4 Pro. I went ahead and reinitialized everything, recalibrated everything, and every time I've tested it, it has worked. I've flown it very far out, and I've been testing it for days on end, so I think it is ready for sale. So I went ahead and posted it on eBay, Facebook. I'm gonna post it on Instagram. So that's an update for that one. That one is gonna get sold here soon, and I actually have some shots that I took with it. This Phantom 4, I think I'm gonna keep for myself. Once I get the new camera in, I will make a video of me installing that, and we'll see how much I can get out of my old camera gimbal. But I'm keeping some of the propellers for myself. Yeah, so I have some extras, and I included 2 extras with the other guy, and I still have enough batteries, but I did give them I am going to give them the big dock that charges all 3 batteries at the same time. So let's see how much I can get for this one. Hopefully it was worth the investment. And then let's see if we can get the other one fixed up. Alright, let's get it. What up, YouTube? It's Fitz here. Today we are going to be swapping the gimbal on my Phantom 4, seeing if that fixes the shaking issue and the losing signal issue. Because the drone would not lose signal, but the camera would lose signal, and also the video mode did not work. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I have the Phantom 4 Pro up for sale right now. Trying to get 850 quote. We got her all repaired. Let's go test her out. It's your boy Fitz here, and the Phantom 4 Pro was sold for $850 plus shipping. Buyer paid for shipping. eBay is gonna eat up a fat percentage of that, like maybe 10%, I think. But we're still up, you know, overall. Spent $500 on everything. Somebody did buy my gimbal as well, but they have not paid for it. Classic eBay, right? I may have to relist that. But yeah, let's keep this video going. I'm about to show y'all some of the clips I got in Brevard and in Asheville with the DJI that I kept for myself, and they are sick. So yeah, check that out. Alright, so this is the Phantom 4 that I've decided I'm going to keep for myself. We're out here in Brevard, North Carolina. The mountains. First thing we're gonna do is put the props on. This is the one we replaced the gimbal on, so got a full charge battery. I'm about to just get her set up. Let's get to it. Hell yeah. Ready to go. Let's launch her off. Fuck that ran into the limit. It's fucking get her up there. It's gonna here. We got the Phantom 4 that we replaced the gimbal on. We just had to calibrate the GPS. All the magnetic fields around. It's ready to go. So we're in action. Let's get her up in the air. Alright. Out, but the gimbal is staying fine, so all one exhibit?
Yeah, there's one right over that way, but it's gone. Anyways, over there is where they usually are, in that direction.
Well, so we got the DJI Phantom in the air, and now we're about to see what we find. I'm gonna hit record on the freaking camera, and yeah, cut to it.
Look at all the bats.